what global health will do is that it will connect the dots across all the different parameters of health, wellness, and aesthetics, and communicate to the global world that Sri Lanka is a must-visit destination in our part of the world. If you are looking at this proposition of the latest trends, what are the kinds of products that you use, and how it enhances one's life. So that's what this brand is all about, and it is not just a publication, but what has happened is that it has evolved because the founder will explain more how he started from one country and then it has extended to about 6-7 countries across. So what has happened is that the product has also evolved. So now it has been extended to two very important things, which happens to be the conference and then of course acknowledging who are the outstanding people in the industry. So when it comes to the conference, what happens is that you have global speakers all coming down and they'll talk about the different facets in which you would enhance one's lifestyle, one's living, and how you become more purposeful to what you do. So that the founder will explain a little bit more, while of course subsequently in the evening we will also acknowledge and recognize who are the outstanding entities who are in these three disciplines. So you might have in the hospital sector who are the outstanding people, you will have medical clinics, you will have wellness hotels, you might have the aesthetic sector in terms of beauty and overall imagery. So all these outstanding people will be recognized. So what happens is that when this is showcased in the brand Global Health, then the word goes into the rest of the world that we are much more stronger than just the information that goes out to the world as at now. So yes, there is a rhetoric in the country with regard to the GDP growth in terms of how we have become a 100 billion economy, but how it impacts a Sri Lankan, how it enhances a Sri Lankan, how the quality of life of a Sri Lankan, how it improves, is something that we are not told the world. And that's what's going to come from this particular whole launch. So that's a little bit about the introduction. So can I ask the founder to talk you through the exact evolution of the company and how he sees Sri Lanka growing in the next 3 to 5 years on what he has seen in Southeast Asia. So Narendra, would you mind?